So there are different mechanisms that can contribute to the development of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and low-grade inflammatory tone. One of the mechanisms we have proposed and published a couple of years ago is that the gut microbiota can indeed send some signals to the host via, for instance, the lipopolysaccharides, or LPS, a constituent of the gram-negative bacteria. And we found that during obesity and type 2 diabetes, there is an increase in plasma LPS. And this increase in plasma LPS is clearly, in rodent models, a triggering factor of the development of insulin resistance and low-grade inflammatory tone. These data and this observation has also been clearly confirmed in humans. So now we know, and everybody agrees on that, that type 2 diabetic patients, obese patients, have an increase in plasma LPS. So it's one of the mechanisms. Now, between the gut microbiota and the plasma, and this increase in plasma LPS, there is the gut barrier. And we are living with a tremendous amount of cells within the gut, and this gut barrier function must be really efficient to improve, or to reduce, I should say, the translocation of some components from the microbes into the blood. Another key mechanism that has been suggested is that the microbiota can contribute to increase the energy harvest from the food. In other words, two different gut microbiota can extract more energy from food. I mean, if you have an obese subject, it has been proposed that the obese subjects extract more energy from the non-digestible carbohydrate as compared to the lean subject. And there is a small increase in the energy taken up from the gut microbes into the host, and for a long period, years, it can indeed contribute to an increase in fat mass. Then there are also data suggesting that short-chain fatty acids, butyrate, propionate, so some metabolites produced by the gut microbiota, can contribute to the development of fat mass for instance, some of the acetate, for the metabolite acetate, or can reduce the fat mass development. This is the case for butyrate and propionate. So depending on the gut microbiota composition and the metabolites that the microbes are able to produce, you can contribute to protect against diet-induced obesity or obesity itself, or contribute to the development of obesity. Then some mechanisms are also associated with the innate immune system, and we have investigated, we have ongoing experiments in this area of research, and we're seeing also that the crosstalks between microbes and hosts at the level of the immune system and the innate immune system may also explain one part of the story in the onset of obesity and type 2 diabetes.